Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vijay Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your NerdWallet. By recover, I mean if you guys forgot the password of your account, you guys can just go to NerdWallet and recover it by following some of the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, let me make it clear. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into the video, shall we? First step, just search for NerdWallet. After you search for it, you can click on NerdWallet, or like the first link in another word. Click on the first link, it's going to take you to its official website. Click on sign in once you're in its official website. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to its sign in page. Once you're in its sign in page, you want to scroll a bit down and click on forgot your password. Once you click on forgot your password, it's going to take you over here. Now once you're over here, you need to enter the email of your account like this. So let me enter the email of my account. After I enter the email, just click on send reset email. Then basically what you want to do is you want to go to your email and check your email. There's going to be an email sent by NerdWallet. You just want to open that email, click on the link. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can change the password of your NerdWallet. And by changing your password, you guys can set a new password and basically you recovered a NerdWallet account. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And this is me, Vijay Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.